Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to enhance text contrast to improve font rendering in Microsoft Edge. So firstly open Microsoft Edge. Now type this text in Microsoft Edge. Edge semicolon double slash flex slash hashtag edge dash enhance dash text dash contrast, then enter. So you will see this first option, render text using the same contrast and gamma settings that are used elsewhere in Windows. Run the clear type text tuner to adjust the contrast and gamma settings for your monitor. Click this drop down and enable it, and restart your Microsoft Edge to take effect. So this is the easy and quick way to enable enhanced text in Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not.